What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The 2nd of November. We're taking a look this Saturday morning here at Aerodrome Finance slash the United States dollar. This will be a daily chart. Welcome to the channel, all the new subscribers. Well, what a week here for the markets. Cryptocurrency did not get hit as hard as the stocks did, the futures markets did. Had a little reversal in the Bitcoin futures, but overall held up pretty well. We have Aerodrome here. This is the Coinbase chart. We have Aerodrome backing off of the 119,870 level. You could see we reversed off of that yesterday. Yesterday's high was 122.86. My level is 119.87. We traded up, hit that level, went slightly higher, got pushed back down. So we faded yesterday. Today is very quiet here. We have what appears to be an inside day, just trading within yesterday's range. Didn't make a new high, didn't make a new low. We are down slightly, basically flat, down 0.76%. We'll see here, guys. We will see. This does not look bullish, so this does not look like it wants to break to the upside. To me, it actually appears like we're creating some kind of a slightly rising channel here, price structure. And this just took place over in the S&P 500. And what happened was they break to the downside. So we shall see. Next level of support below the current trading level would be at the 110.7 level. That's 1.107, $1.1007. Right there in purple. And that would be about 3.29% further drop in price. We have what appears to be a head and shoulders continuing to form here. Let's talk about that real quick. Again, no guarantees it'll play out. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, essentially right here. Let me see if I can make this a different color for you guys. This would be the neckline. So right there in yellow would be the neckline. That would be basically price could pull back to that neckline. So let's say it pulled back there today, which I don't think it will. That would be basically at $1.05. $1.05. And a drop would be down to like roughly, so if we broke the neckline of the head and shoulders, right, you take the depth here between the neckline and the head there, and that essentially would run the price down to, you know, in a perfect world, in a perfect break of a head and shoulders to the downside through the neckline would take you down to, I believe it's around 72 cents. So a pretty large drop to the downside. Again, we don't know if this will play out, but we want to be aware of the possibilities here. Especially with this thing not looking that bullish at the moment, finding resistance, starting to wedge up, usually is bearish, take us down to the, to the neckline, or obviously for starters, 110. We have a 106, and then the 105 is roughly where the neckline would be. So I put I believe it was 30% drop yesterday in the either in the thumbnail or the video title. And that refers to the head and shoulders break to the downside. So, hey, we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't happen, but just let's be aware. We have some political stuff going on, and hey, they are capable of any kind of market tricks they would like. So let's just be prepared as we head into the next month or so. Let's say we rally. We obviously want to break above 119.87. That's our current resistance as of Friday. And then above that takes us right back up to where we topped out on the 29th and 30th of October, which is 128, 129. That is a classic level of resistance. Here it is right here, resistance multiple times. Here it is again as resistance just a couple days ago this week, Tuesday and Wednesday. 128, 129 is an issue. It is a ceiling of resistance. Hopefully here we see it break and turn into a floor of support. Right now, guys, though, the path of least resistance appears to be to the downside, and we don't have too much further until we get a break through that neckline. Sometimes you can get a shakeout, though. So sometimes you'll get a break through a major either resistance or support. This would be a support level, and it actually will trade down, maybe close back above or close, and then actually the market will flip and go the opposite direction. Essentially what that does is it gets people on one side of the market or the other, and then as the market flips, they have to cover, and it triggers a massive rally in the opposite direction. You know, that's all speculation, but we've seen it many times over. Current price 145 for Aerodrome, down 0.7. Let's go over to Bitcoin, BTC, USD. Bitcoin almost broke out to all-time highs recently. 73,494 was where we topped out, and we've been fading ever since. We have support 68,748. That's right here in purple. One of our levels that's holding as support. Today's quiet but fading. Inside day. Hey, we'll see. It'd be nice if this 68,748 holds. No guarantees. Hey, we'll see what happens here. We're very close to rallying into new all-time highs, and we don't know when that'll happen. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Not financial advice. Please make your own financial decisions. If you are not yet subscribed, join us here on the channel. Have a great Saturday, and we'll catch you in some more videos throughout the weekend.